Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn subject English, topic words with sm and sk sound. Now let's see. Words that begin sm consonant blends. Everybody should repeat with me. Sm, sm, sm. Small, small. Small, small. Small, small. Smoke, smoke. Smoke, smoke. Smoke, smoke. Smell, smell. Smell, smell. Smell, smell. Smile, smile. Smile, smile. Smile, smile. Words that begin with consonant blend sk sound. Sk, sk. Skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt. Skip, skip. Skip, skip. Skip, skip. Skate, skate. Skate, skate. Skate, skate. Words end with sk sound. Mask, mask. Mask, mask. Mask, mask. Flask, flask. Flask, flask. Flask, flask. Flask, flask. Desk, desk. Desk, desk. Desk, desk. Desk, desk. Review. SMALL, small. SMOKE, smoke. SMELL, smell. SMILE, smile. SKIRT, skirt. SKIP, skip. SKATE, skate. MASK, mask. FLASK, flask. DESK, desk. Let's see how to do worksheets. First picture is smoke. we have to write here small consonant blend. The next picture is skirt. We have to write here sk consonant blend sound. Now third picture is smile. Now we have to write here small consonant blend sound. Now third picture is smell. We have to write here smell consonant blend sound. Now next picture is skip. We have to write here sk consonant blend sound. Now next is skate. We have to write here sk consonant blend sound. I hope you all understood this lesson. You will do practice with your parents for comfortable reading. Okay, Allah Hafiz.